Okay, today I'm going to show you how to wash your hands when you have stitches. Some people tell you need to wait 48 hours after getting stitches before getting them wet, but research has shown it really doesn't make a difference. So the first thing you're going to want to make sure is you have city water. You can't use well water because well water can carry bacteria and that can infect the site of your stitches. Next thing you're going to want to make sure you have is an unscented soap. I like to use Dr. Bonner's Castile soap, and I use the baby variety as it is unscented. So you're going to want to gently go ahead and rub the soap all around your hand and be very cautious of your stitches. You don't want to pull anything there. Once you've rubbed your hand well, go ahead and lightly rinse it. Once you've rinsed it, you're going to want to take a hair dryer and you're going to want to go ahead and dry it. I like to use the cool setting, and I go ahead and make sure that the hand is thoroughly dried. Once it's dry, go ahead and put a Band-Aid back over your stitches. That way you don't get them caught on anything and rip them out. Well guys, I hope that helps you when washing your hand with stitches.